Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making something we all love, a rich moist chocolate cake. Simple ingredients, no oven needed. Let's get started. In a bowl take 1 cup flour, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve them all together. Cocoa contains natural antioxidants and mood boosters. And mix well. Always sieve dry ingredients to avoid lumps. Now we will make homemade buttermilk. Take 3/4 cup milk, add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix and let it rest for 5 minutes. Add 1/4 cup oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Pour in the buttermilk mixture. Stir until smooth and lump-free. Let the buttermilk sit for 5 minutes to activate. Dark chocolate helps lower blood pressure in small amount. Cocoa can improve brain function and memory. Take a steel bowl, grease it with a little oil. Pour the batter in. Using milk instead of cream lightens the dessert. Homemade cakes let you control sugar and oil content. Now place a curry pan with a wire stand. Preheat it for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the bowl inside. Make sure your pan is well heated before placing the mold. Cook for 30 to 35 minutes in medium-low heat. Meanwhile, prepare the ganache. Take 1/4 cup warm whipping cream. Add 1/4 cup grated dark chocolate. Stir until completely melted. This cake can be made even without an oven, so easy and fun. Once the cake is done and slightly cooled, pour the ganache over it. Cool the cake slightly before pouring ganache to avoid melting it off. Spread evenly and top with more grated chocolate. Your soft chocolatey delight is ready to serve. And here it is, your soft, rich chocolate cake. So easy yet so indulgent. How do you like your chocolate cake? With ganache or frosting? Tell us in the comments if you want to see a version with eggs or no sugar. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more home-style baking ideas. Thank you for watching Oven Cake and Cookies. Stay with us for more simple and tasty recipes.